Ito na, ang OnePlus Nord 3. And alam naman natin that this one is one of the more popular phone ni OnePlus na nilabas for this year. And this one is also known as the OnePlus Ace 2V, na very popular in China. And today, i-unbox na natin tong phone na ito. And I'm pretty much excited to show you ang gandang design, ang gandang performance, and my first impression dito sa phone na ito. Tara, simulan natin with a quick unboxing. Hi guys, ako si ng Gadget Sidekick and welcome back to my channel, the OnePlus Nord 3. And yan ang nakasulat dito sa gilid, OnePlus Nord 3 5G. And ang hawak natin right now is this 16 gigs of RAM, 256 gig of storage, and ang color na meron natin dito is my favorite, si Misty Green. So tara, buksan natin. So buksan na natin ang box. OnePlus logo. Meron siya maliit na box dito. Inside, we have your SIM ejector tool. We have your Nord, the welcoming note, safety guide, and quick start guide. Ito na yung phone itself. Ganda ng green, no? Other things inside the box. Your 80 watts na SuperVOOC charger. And of course, nandito ang kanyang Red USB Type-C cable. And probably one thing that's missing dito is definitely ang kanyang gel case. Nalabas muna natin ang phone. Uy, ganda. So, ang ganda dito sa kanya is ang kanyang color. The back is definitely shiny and I love the design. Probably the only thing na medyo maging problema natin is fingerprints all over the back of your phone. So, we have your Sony IMX na triple camera setup dito sa likod. Dalawang LED flash. Sa ilalim, nandiyan ang kanyang SIM tray, microphone in, USB Type-C port, and of course, ang kanyang loudspeaker. On this side, we have your volume rocker. Sa ibabaw, nandiyan ang kanyang noise cancelling mic, IR blaster, and of course, your second loudspeaker. And on this side is your ringer toggle dito, and of course, your power button. Tara, sundutin natin. So basically, this one can support dalawang na nano SIM. Well, honestly, wala expansion. So boot up muna natin. So after natin mag-setup, ganito itsura niya. So let's get started. So basically, ito ang home screen na makikita natin. So definitely, if you're using this phone, mabilis. Mabilis ang kanyang swiping speed dahil ang taas ang refresh rate na meron dito. By the way guys, itong phone na ito has a 6.74-inch na AMOLED display. It also has a 120Hz screen refresh rate. So mapapansin nyo when you're swiping left and right, it's very smooth. Now, if you want to run down some quick specs dito sa phone na ito, itong OnePlus Nord 3 5G has a MediaTek Dimensity 9000. So this one is mala flagship-like ni MediaTek. And of course, this one is way better than the OnePlus Nord 2T. So, itong phone na ito has 16 gigs of RAM and pag kinlik mo dito, pwede mo pa expand ng additional 12. So, meaning, itong phone na ito can expand up to 28 gigs of RAM. And of course, the storage nito is very generous at 256 gig of storage. And currently, this one is running Android 13 and being powered by Oxygen OS 13.1. So, ito naman ang camera setup. Sulat niya dito. So, sa likod, this one has a Sony IMX na 890 as kanyang main camera na may OIS. Then, of course, sinundan siya na 8MP na ultra-wide lens na may EIS. And, of course, may macro lens din siya kasama na 2MP. And sa harap niya is a 16MP na front-facing camera. So, right now, let's try to take a quick snap dito sa cutter natin. So, even indoor low light, kita natin ang shot natin. No? It's quite very clear and very sharp ang mga details na dito. No? I can't wait to give you more samples dito from this camera. And for sure, gustong-gusto ko ang kanyang camera dahil, well, honestly, ang ganda ng kanyang details. And the phone na ito, by the way, guys, is packed with a 5,000 mAh of battery and can fast charge as fast as 80 watts. Expect mo kanyang charging speed is definitely fast. So, another thing na gusto ko dito is pinalig nila dito ang kanyang ringer toggle. So, yeah. It's going to be very useful for me. So, there are some settings na gusto ko ipakita sa inyo, no? Maganda i-turn on natin mga ito ng image sharpener. Video color boost, bright HDR video mode. I would suggest i-turn on yung lahat yan para medyo mas ma-feel nyo ang display power nito phone na ito to its maximum potential. So, kung gusto nyo kalikutin ang iyong refresh rate, either you can use 60, 120, or auto select. So just a quick glimpse dito sa display niya. I would say sobrang ganda ng kanya display dito. Given ang AMOLED display niya, is really giving me that really fun na experience dito sa phone na ito. No? I can't wait to show you yung further experience ko dito. This is only my first impression and I can see napapawaw na ako dito sa kanya display. So guys, stay tuned sa aking full review na itong phone na ito. This is the OnePlus Nord 3 5G. And I'll be sharing you everything that I know about this phone bago nyo bilhin itong phone na ito on my full review. And if you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and of course, hit your bell icon para di nyo miss mga future uploads here on my channel. And so, ako para si Richmond and you're watching Gadget Sidekick. What's up? Like and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit that notification bell. For one of my latest uploads, click the dito. And for one of my popular uploads, click here.